Hi, I'm Mark from International Dyno Authority. When you call us to have your engine dynoed, we're going to show you exactly where we're going to go from start to finish. You come in here, we're going to put your engine on this machine. We're going to hook it up to the dyno, we're going to test it, we're going to monitor absolutely everything. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that the engine runs correctly, it has proper oil pressure, and it's tuned correctly. Once it's tuned correctly, no place other than this facility can do what we do with your engine. We are going to make sure that everything is done as far as monitoring the air coming in, the fuel coming in, the water going out. This is the only facility of its kind. We can accommodate your exhaust system. We'll put on whatever exhaust system that you bring in so that it exactly matches what you have in your vehicle. Come right on in here to International Dyno Authority. It's $500 for half a day. We include most of the setup fee in the $500 so that you don't have to pay extra. You're going to get 4 hours of testing and tuning and whatever else that you want to do. If you want to try different fuels, you want to try different ignition, you name it, we're going to do it here for you.